Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Brightening Adventures. This is actually not a planned video kasi apparently this morning I received a text message from Blitz Delivery PH. Actually, hindi ako familiar sa kanila. Ako, syempre alam ko lang Grab, Lalamove, yung Mr. Speedy, yan yung mga usual natin ginagamit. Pero I got a message from Blitz Delivery.ph that I have a package na i-deliver daw nila today. And I'm not expecting anything kasi yung 7-7 deliveries ko pa naman is I'm expecting it next week pa dadating kasi hindi pa na-ship yung mga orders ko. So, this afternoon, ayun, naka-receive ako ng call na yung delivery rider is already downstairs and I have to pick up the item. Apparently, it's from Olay and wala ko in-expect na item from them. I didn't buy anything. So, this is a surprise package from Olay. Look at this, guys. It's a whole package. So, I will be unboxing this package from Olay. Yes. This is a gift box from them. So, eto siya, guys. Ito yung laman niya. So, there are 3 bottles inside. First is Olay Body Science Cream Body Wash. So, pangligo siya. The other one is Olay Body Science Hyaluronic Acid Cream Body Wash for cleansing and nourishing. And then, lastly is another Olay Body Science Cream Body Wash Cleansing and Firming. So, ayan yung tatlo. So, I think it's para sa pagligo siya kasi it comes with a loofah. Tapos, meron siya nung headband kapag nag-facial ka. And then, meron din siyang gold na scrunchie. Ka-color niya. And, meron siyang dried flower. Naka-accent na siya dito. Okay, so, Olay Body Science. Okay. So, I have to create an Instagram video story using these products from Olay. So, yan. Nandito sa, sa paper na to on how I'll do it. Instagram, static wardrobe and settings. At dito yung do's and don'ts on how to create the Instagram post. Tapos, pero medyo late na siya kasi on or before June 27 yung IG post niya dapat. So, I'm not sure why, bakit pinadala sa akin ng Olay yung mga items na to. But of course, I will try this out. I will also post this in IG. And of course, I'm posting it in my YouTube video because this is the first time that I got a surprise gift ng a well-known item from Olay. So guys, try natin to, pagligo natin, and then I'll give you more comments and reviews once I use it. Thank you so much, Olay Body Science, for giving me this gift. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Brightening Adventures. Goodbye!